What is that, Aspen?
What?
What is that?
Watch.
Oh. Well, Lakeland, we know there's more presents at Granny's house, huh?
These bottles.
Bottles is in the car.
You can connect.
Hmm?
You can connect on here.
Connect what?
Connect to like other players. Did I go check in the car?
No, I know he's in the car.
I have a practice thing.
We'll just bring it. You can bring it in the car for him.
Because they don't like it.
Huh?
Because they don't need it.
Go put your present for him next to the door. That way we won't forget.
All of those are going out, I think.
We already going to. We're going out. Well, just put it by the door. We won't forget it.
Freeze is needs to go.